everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on gesture navigation on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if you want your cell phone display to look wider and bigger, you can try gesture navigation or full screen navigation to make your cell phone screen look wider. And how to turn on gesture navigation is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. And then so yeah, now you can scroll down and go to display menu. And then after that, now you can scroll down and go to navigation bar. And then here's now you can change from button navigation into gesture navigation. And then so yeah, the button navigation will turns to gesture navigation and your screen will look wider like this guys. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.